I have health issues. If you're on benefits or a low income, you haven't got that access to credit as you would be if you had a job. I got in contact with my doorstep lender, as a lot of people in my street have accounts with her. I had a number and I phoned up and she came round. She agreed to the loan. She paid me in cash on the table. Things were fine for a while, but she had an accident and they were supposed to send a representative for the company to pick up the instalments. But she didn't arrive for 5 weeks. You have your money on the table and she don't call, there's £6 there and it evaporates. And then you're being charged interest on that missed payment, which is not your fault. That's £35 I'm in arrears. And they're charging me 280% on £35 for 5 weeks. And it started becoming a problem then. My experience with Moneyline has been nothing but positive. I was referred by my housing officer, so I thought I'd just go in and see. We did a budget and saved myself £400 in interest. £400 is a lot of money when you are on a limited budget and a fixed income. The money I borrowed paid off my 2 doorstep loans. It's allowed me to pay off my debt a year earlier, and I pay about half as much a month than I did previously. I had a little bit left over. I had some problems with children just playing in my garden, and I used the extra bit of money to pay for a bit of fencing. I'm used to living on my budget now, so I intend to use Moneyline as a savings account. I would advise anybody in my predicament to go into Moneyline because they are so helpful. And I would advise anybody to go even just to discuss your finances.